Go ahead, Joe. Do you have a question?
Yeah, you don't necessarily have to do the extrude. You can still continue working with
Yep.
the 2D geometry
Yeah.
if you wanted.
Yeah. Yeah.
So,
Yeah. We can do that. That's actually what you was wanting to see, wasn't it? Okay. So we can do some basic camming programming just with the 2D drawing. So let's go ahead and we're going to look at the setup. You don't have to change anything there. Let's look at the box stock, do a copy model bounding box. And this is actually 1.5 exactly. So let's pick OK. Turn the stock on. And let's go ahead and align it. We're going to align it in the center and in the center. Okay. Actually, let's do it to the bottom. Now, this is your preference. Some people like to draw with the drawing at the bottom of the stock. Some people like to draw with the drawing at the top of the stock. It's just your preferences. If it's at the top of the stock, then you're giving actual depths from the top of the stock downward. Or if it's at the bottom, you may want to do some other things. So let's just put it on the top. Okay. Go ahead, Joe.
yeah, I think that's better.
Yeah.
I think that's better because our Z levels,
Yep.
you
Yep.
don't want to mess.
All positive, So let's go ahead and align that just to make sure that it's aligned again. Oh, it is aligned. Okay. Okay, so now what we're going to do is just we can do some basic pocketing or profiling. Let's go ahead and run a pocket. Let's do some pocketing. And we're going to just select this curve here. We'll create a tool real quick and do a flat end mill. Okay. So we got a flat end mill. Leave everything basically to default preferences. You may want to fill it. Pocketing. So let's tighten that up. Okay. Cut parameters, tighten that up. We can leave some stock or we can just leave it like that. The cut levels, a location of cut geometry is at the top. So this is what Joe was mentioning, having your geometry at the top. So typically you would always use at top for your geometry, and then you're just giving a cut depth, say 1.5, and say at 1/4 inch increments cut level. Okay. And let's just generate that. Let's look at that. Okay. Let's go ahead and simulate that. Okay, looks like we're all the way down. So we basically machined a pocket in the middle. Let's go ahead and do some profiling. Let's go profiling. And we're going to get rid of that. We're going to profile the outside. We use the same tool. Cut parameters, tolerance. We'll basically leave everything. And we will do the outside of the curve. Okay. And let's see, cut levels. Location is at the top again. The cut depth is 1.5 again. 1/4 inch increments. For entry and exit, we'll just, now a lot of times you may not have room in your geometry to actually do a lines and arcs. So in a lot of cases, you may just want to do a ramp entry and just do a straight retract for an exit. Okay, we'll do some arc fitting. Let's just generate that. So there's our profiling on the outside. Slow that down a little bit. So there's, we got it basically shaped out. And then you can also do some drilling. I'm not going to do the drilling right now. I'm going to go over and do the actual 3D, 3-axis part. Again, if you guys got any questions, I know we're going through it quick, but this is just a basic introduction.